Hello, today I'm going to show you how to file KRA annual returns. Using any web browser, go to new tab, then type KRA iTax, click enter, choose KRA iTax, enter your KRA pin. For now I'm going to enter my KRA pin. Click continue, enter your password. I'm going to enter my password. Answer a simple math question. Click login. Drag your cursor to returns, then click file in return. In the tax obligation, choose income tax resident individual. Click next. Choose your return period. For my case it's automatic. Then click submit. Please read the content in the pop-up window, and if you are satisfied with it, click OK. You have successfully filed your KRA annual returns. If this has helped you, let me see your reactions in the comments section.